email marketing remains one of the most effective tools to engage leads and convert them into loyal customers. Firstly, it offers a direct line to your audience, allowing for personalized messaging at scale. Additionally, the cost-effectiveness of email marketing makes it a must-have for any marketer's toolkit, providing one of the highest returns on investment compared to other marketing strategies. Moreover, segmentation can help target specific groups within your audience, improving the relevance of your messages. Measuring engagement through metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions helps in refining and optimizing campaigns for better results. Crafting engaging subject lines is essential for capturing your audience's attention and boosting email open rates. Start with personalization. Including the recipient's name or other unique details can make the email feel more tailored. Using action-oriented language and creating a sense of urgency or curiosity motivates readers to click and find out more. Keep it concise and clear, as long subject lines can get cut off, especially on mobile devices. A/B testing different subject lines helps identify what resonates best with your audience, allowing for continuous improvement in engagement rates. Personalization strategies are key to making your emails more relevant and appealing to leads. Start by segmenting your email list based on various criteria such as behavior, preferences, and past interactions. Use personalized greetings and tailor content to align with the recipient's interests and needs. Incorporating dynamic content allows for real-time customization, enhancing the user's experience. Personalization also extends to timing. Sending emails when your audience is most likely to engage improves open and response rates. Lastly, leverage data analytics to continually refine and improve your personalization efforts for maximum effectiveness. Crafting effective call to actions, or CTAs, is crucial for driving reader action and achieving your marketing goals. Start by using clear, concise, and directive language that tells your readers exactly what you want them to do. Position your CTA prominently within the email so it stands out visually. Using action-oriented words like buy, register, or download can prompt immediate action. Personalizing the CTA can further increase engagement by making it feel relevant to the individual's needs. Finally, creating a sense of urgency, such as limited-time offers or exclusive deals, can compel readers to act quickly. Analyzing and optimizing your email campaigns involves reviewing key metrics and making data-driven decisions for improvements. Start by tracking open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to gauge your campaign's effectiveness. Use A/B testing to compare different elements like subject lines, content, and CTAs to identify what works best with your audience. Segmenting data by demographic or behavior can provide deeper insights into how different groups respond. Regularly review the performance data to identify trends and areas for improvement. Finally, use these insights to refine your strategies and create more effective, targeted email campaigns.